At present, there has been no research that has conclusively determined a relationship between household dust from behind radiators and its health impact. However, it can be said that radiators are a key contributor to air and dust movement in a room, that dust has a demonstrated health impact on occupants, and there is an evidence base here for further research. In the meantime, prevention is the key to tackling illnesses caused by dust, with cleaning taking priority. The NHS has also carried out research and found hospital dust inside and underneath radiators can contain MRSA and other potentially pathogenic organisms. As such, the NHS has specified guidelines for dealing with radiators that stipulate all covers must be removed to clean them. Steam cleaning must be used for hard-to-reach areas, and all areas must be left to dry before replacing covers, with an inspection to ensure the whole radiator is visibly clean. In low-risk areas, such as administrative offices and non-sterile supply areas, one full clean is required every month. This form of cleaning is time-intensive and requires a specialised team to do daily in very high-risk areas such as operating theatres and intensive care units. Expanding these guidelines for cleaning to other buildings such as schools and the workplace could reduce the burden of treating asthma and many other conditions. However, the difficult task of reaching inside and behind the radiators could prove prohibitive. Underfloor heating could be a solution. However, the installation costs are high and certain building situations make it difficult to implement. Accessible radiators would be an affordable and easy solution to make this process easier for cleaning staff, enabling them to get to the back of wall-mounted radiators.
Obviously, dust behind the radiator is well known, we all experience that, and reducing the collection of dust in that area will add to the improvement of the air quality.
The main thing that can be done is cleaning the dust away from behind the radiators, because that would mean that that dust that collects there is no longer going to be resuspended.
But this is not just the end of it. Obviously, we have to make sure that people are aware not to use cleaning agents and sprays and so on unless there's proper ventilation to remove the emissions, because they all impact on health.
If you would like to know more, you can read the full literature review survey carried out by the Keele University Research and Innovation and Skills Partnership Project.